I have heard a lot of game developers on YouTube saying that you should copy games that have been made already when you are starting to make games, and I am going to listen to their advice. So, for this game, I will try to copy the game mechanics of Duck Hunt, which was a game about hunting ducks, and then add some of my own spice to it. By spice, I mean I will do some of my own changes to try and make it better. The original game used to come with a light gun that you had to use to shoot the flying ducks, but I will obviously not use this gun because I don't have a gun and I don't think you have one too. Even if I made the game, we both won't be able to play and I think it will be really complex to make. The main aspect of Duck Hunt is that the player is required to successfully shoot a minimum number of targets in order to advance to the next round. So for our game, my main goal is to make this aspect as gratifying as possible. When I said I will do some of my own changes, I meant I will do a lot of changes while keeping the main aspect intact. So I decided to make the game in 3D instead of 2D as it will be more fun when physics is involved as opposed to some objects just changing positions randomly on the screen. I will change the targets from ducks to balls as it will be pretty easy to implement physics in balls and I don't want to do art right now. I will use a bow and arrows to shoot the balls as it is way cooler. It will obviously have all the necessary things like scoring system, sound, effects, etc. etc. So it is basically a game about shooting balls with a bow and arrows. I don't want to overscope the idea right now, however bland the idea looks. I will add on top of this idea if there is a need later on. The name of the game will be Bow&Balls. Makes sense, right?